Hello everyone, I am Ramil Khalili and today we will learn window functions with SQL. Let's start with what is window functions. So window functions let you do calculations, operations over a group of rows related to the current row without grouping or losing any individual rows. So I'll go one by one and you'll exactly get what I mean. So let's get started with what are our window functions. So we have row number, we have rank, we have dense rank, we have lag, and we have lead. So what are these? So row number is for ranking. Rank is for ranking as well. And dense rank is for ranking as well. So what's the difference between them? Let's say we have a bunch of employees. Let's say Joe, and its salary is 12,000. And then we have Jane, whose salary is 12,000 as well. And then we have, let's say, Tom, whose salary is 900. I'm sorry, here it's 12,000. And Tom's salary is 9,000. And finally, we have Jim, and his salary is 8,000. If I use a row number, so the ranking is unique, okay? So ranking is unique, and so if I, order the ranking according to the salary descending, so the highest salary is ranked number one, and the lowest salary, the smallest salary, is ranked at the last. So it will be one, it'll be two. So row number doesn't care if we have equal numbers. It somehow in the back end, sorts them somehow and makes one of them first and second one second. And this is obviously three, and this is finally four. So we understand what's the row number. It doesn't care if we have equal numbers. It just ranks them from highest to lowest if we define that. If we define it as ascending, then it would be vice versa. So what does rank do? Rank does 1, 2, and I'm sorry, 1, 1, because they are equal, so rank ranks them, both equal, 1, 1, and this is not 2 but 3. Okay, now this is ranking. Now this is 4. Now 2 is gone. 2 doesn't exist here for rank, but for dense rank it will be 1, 1, 2, 3, because it is dense rank. It doesn't lose anything. So this is the general explanation, and let's get started with our examples. I'll work with HR scheme from the Oracle itself, and I'll work with employees table. So let's see what we have inside our employees table first. I've explained in the previous video what these columns mean. We have employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, and so much. We have manager ID and departments, which department these employees belong to. Employee ID is a primary key here. So yes. Okay, let's say I want to rank employees from highest to lowest according to the salary, according to their salary. So the person, so employee with the highest salary would rank first, and the employee with the lowest salary would rank the last. So let's get started. Let's select first name and the last name to see what we are working with. Last name, and so what we do here, let's say I don't care if we have equal salaries, but in fact, in practice, we should care about this. So if we have equal salaries, we would rank them the same. Okay, here I will use rank over. It's just a syntax like that, so you have to remember this: rank parentheses and then over, order by salary descending. Okay, so it will be descending, so that highest salary would rank first. Descending, this is our rank. Rank as ranking, I name it. Okay, let me write it like that so it's better seen. Ranking from employees. Let's see what result we got. As you can see, it is ranked like that, 1, 2, 2, if these things are tied. Okay, let's see salary as well, so it's better like that. Yeah, we see salaries as well. As you can see, Nina and Lex have the same salary, 17,000, so they are ranked the same, and then comes 4. If I did not rank, but dense rank, then it'll be 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, if I did the row number, however, if I did, I'm sorry, row number, however, then it will be 1, 2, 3. It doesn't care if they are equal. They, in the background, SQL somehow sorts them in a way and makes it so that each number is unique here. So that's the basic explanation, and I hope you guys understand what I mean. So let's say I want, group by department. Let's group by departments, okay? I want rankings, but inside each department. I want to rank employees based on their salaries in their own department. So here comes partition by department ID. So what does partition by does? Again, I want to rank employees not through overall data, overall table, but inside their own departments. Rank them inside their own departments from highest to lowest. So let's run this. As you can see, Jennifer, Jennifer belongs to the department that no other employee belongs, so there's only one. So these two belong to the same department, so SQL ranks them first and second, inside their own department. What we can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 employees belong to the same employee, and it ranks them inside their department from highest to lowest. As you can see, there's a partition here, partition by department. So partition by comes to play here. And now let's get these are the basic window functions: row number, dense, and dense rank.